In this video, we're taking a look at gray noise. It can be found at viz.graynoise.io. And also I have this on the Start Me page. So gray noise is interesting in that we can put IP addresses, CVEs, tags, and whatnot. And this is, for this demonstration, it's really good for if we're pulling up IP addresses, whether we have a IP address we're investigating or we're doing a lookup on a website. Of course, we could pull up a terminal here and we could do ping and whatever the URL is, say google.com, to get that IP address. Okay, I'm going to cancel out of that. And we can put different IPs in here and see, get some information on it. So I was going to take a malicious or spam email and pull that URL. However, those tend to go away pretty quick. They're usually short-lived URLs. So let's take a look at up in here where there's trends, today, tags, analysis, alerts. I'm just going to click on today and see if anything came up. So we have some pretty cool ones in here. We can see this. This is malicious. This is a mobile. We have the IP address, organization, ChinaNet, backbone, actor is unknown, last seen, country. And if we click in here, we can see the information that if we put that IP address in here. And right off the bat, we get this is a malicious IP. Gray noise identify malicious activity of this IP. Okay, I'm going to click on next and suggested actions, which is great. And we can see, again, the organization. We can see the actor is unknown. If it's you're able to spoof it. First seen, last seen, country, city, region, ASN, OS. We can see different tags, SSH brute forcer, telnet brute forcer, web crawler. We can see the different ports, TCP, 21, 22, 23, 70 is 110. There's 33 more that we can go in here. We can see they're all TCP. We can see if there's any paths, user agent detected, fingerprint information if there is any, and HASSH fingerprints if there is any. So again, this is a lot of great information that we could pull from IP addresses using the site. And we can take a look at different trends and different tags and various analysis. Now I'm just using the free version. If you go ahead and sign up, you can get access to more reports. But again, this is a really great website that we can potentially use for those IP addresses that we find. And again, we can find this over at viz.graynoise.io. Thank you so much for watching.